In this video, I will guide you on how to use the TikTok subscription feature for creators. First, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on this menu icon. Here find the option of TikTok Studio. Tap on that. Once you get here, go to the monetization section. Tap on it. Now look for the option of subscribe. If your account is eligible, tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your subscription. During the setup process, you'll be able to review the program requirements, configure your subscription, and complete any additional steps TikTok requires before enabling the feature. Keep in mind that subscription feature is only available to eligible creators. Eligibility depends on the factors such as your account status, region, age, and TikTok's current monetization requirements. Once your subscription is approved and enabled, your followers can subscribe to access exclusive content and creator perks depending on the features available in your region. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.